Hi guys, it's me again. So today I'm gonna be doing something that I've been doing, which is a swipe with cells. But on this canvas, I'd like to do white as my background. So I've done black and I've done like a charcoal gray, which is actually ivory black. It was more of a gray, so I can't wait to see what that looks like done and dried. I'll show that to you guys in the other video. But today I want to do this one with blue. So these are all three for my boys for Christmas. Although, you know, do they really want stuff? I don't know, but we'll see. So anyway, that's what I'm making. Okay, I'm back. So this is what I decided to do. So excuse my chicken scratch, but this is my book that I write in and come up with my ideas. So I'm gonna do white background like you see it. Sorry, I just bumped the camera. Then I'm gonna do silver, gold, blue, green. I'm gonna have black, and I'm also gonna have black ivory in this. The black ivory, the black, and the white don't have any silicone, but the silver, gold, blue, and green do. So I'm gonna take a piece like this big, that's got stuff on it, I gotta wipe that off. That big, and I'm gonna swipe in this circular motion from the center out. So that's how I'm gonna do this one. Same technique as my swipes that I did this way. This was the last one I did, and the one before that was the same one, as I just took swipes and I went that way. This time it's going to be in a more circular motion. So I'm looking forward to seeing what that looks like. That's going to be kind of cool. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So let's try this. I think I've got myself figured out here. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to make a ring. So this is the ivory black. And it doesn't have to be like, I want the different colors, right? So it doesn't have to be perfect circle. Here's the gold. Okay, so this is something different I've never done. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna start over here. really like this one a lot. I'm so glad I went with this. Try something different, a different swipe technique. But it's a keeper. I really like it. So I love it. Thanks for watching. I'll show you the dry of it later.